Hey sis, it's your boy. Welcome to another makeup playdate. You're seeing me and my just woken up face. Oh my god, we already started. Okay. This concealer, it's a base for my eyeshadow. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal and Fawn, like always. My skin look real tired and lackluster, and we're just gonna have to deal with that. Yep. Realized I was flipping you off. Sorry, not family friendly. It's 7:30 in the morning. Dab on the haters. I'm going in with a lime green shade to kind of lay out the inner and outer corners of my eye and also my transition. I'm going to use incrementally deeper shades of green as I move inward towards the center of my lid where the sparkle is going to be. You can see me kind of going a little bit deeper. I've tricked myself into thinking that if I never change my brush, the shadows, the leftover shadow is gonna like mix together and everything's gonna look perfectly blended and diffused. I love being a professional makeup artist, Nikki tutorial too. Okay, deeper green shade that I mix with kind of a bit of a turquoise shade. Was this a mistake? Possibly. I'm kind of winging it up and out towards the tail end of my eyebrow because that's my preferred shape for eyeshadow. After I finish blending the mattes, the next thing I do is lay down a strip of white eyeshadow base down the center of my lid for the glittery eyeshadow. But in typical me fashion, that was entirely out of frame, so you can't see that, sorry. Using a flat packing brush to get some of the sparkly green shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and flatly packing it on my lids. The question of the day is, was it blending? I think my face in the next clip will give you the answer. This is me wondering if there's a point to anything I do ever, and if life even matters. So getting really close, I start desperately trying to blend the edges of the sparkly shadow into the mattes, really truly questioning my existence on this planet, and actually the existence of life in general. Come in here. I can see you. I can see you. Just come in. Did you just want attention? In a last-ditch effect to save the look, we see our specimen engage in what we in the scientific community call the desperation blend marathon. You see her going back into her transition shade and trying to blend this look together and create some semblance of art. Will she succeed? The answer is probably no. I go into a darker green looking really proud for some unknown reason and blend it into the areas directly next to the shimmer center of the eyelid.
Bronzer or blush? What?
I'm just gonna get her. She's having a moment. Okay, so moving on. Okay, she wants to go. That's parenthood, I guess. In order to distract people from how poorly blended this is, I take a white duochrome shade and lay it on the center for brightening. I gel down my eyebrows. I take a turquoise matte shade and lay it on my lower lash line, which I then smoke out with a cool toned dark brown. Wing. Not too big, okay? But she's coming. I maybe, possibly, definitely, absolutely should not have gone into this with green for like my first attempt. But we're already here. And it, you know, it's a bit of a Monet, you know? And if you don't know that reference, oh my God, is 6th grade fun? Are you enjoying being 13? Can we cool it with the bag while I'm filming? Thank you. Okay. Oh. And yeah, okay. Apparently Lars von Trier, the director, broke into my apartment, knocked me out, and started filming this for me, which explains the super strange, artistic, incomprehensible angle. Why can I never film eyeliner straight on? Ah! Anyway, I do kind of a classic cat eye here. Oh my god, multitasking! Hooray, you're so efficient! I highlight my brow bone now with some gold highlighter. I don't remember what I used, but it honestly doesn't matter because it doesn't really look that good. But, anyway. I realize now that this looks nothing like a halo eye because I don't want to disappoint my father, Thomas Halbert. I go in with a little bit more of the original lime green matte shade to try to make it look a little bit more halo-y. Then I apply some brush. This is Rose D'Oro from Milani. I use it almost every day. I apply some highlighter. This is the Butter Highlighter in Rose Gold from Physicians Formula. Then, because I'm apparently boycotting lipstick right now, I put on a Burt's Bees Lip Shine in Pucker. That feel when your channel's not monetized so I can do whatever I want. So this is what I ended up with. I think it looks very average. It's not even close to being a real halo eye. Maybe I'll try this again with colors that I'm actually comfortable working with. That might be a good idea. So before you go, sisters, I need you to do me a quick favor. If you could go ahead and have an amazing day, I would be absolutely green with happiness. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.